Hi, welcome! In today's video, I'm gonna show the Senada Austin Practical Foldable E-Bike. It has the bounciest seat I've ever seen on an e-bike before, 3-inch thick tires, a max range of 62 miles, headlight, rear light, goes up to 25 miles per hour, it's fully electric with a motorcycle style throttle, and it comes mostly assembled. So I'm gonna unbox it, assemble what little needs assembly, and then the rest of the video I'm gonna take this bike for a ride. Oh yeah, and I should probably mention the price, like kinda important, right? Currently it is $849, free shipping. But I have a $70 coupon code down below in the video's description. Huh. Did they even leave me anything to assemble? Yeah, like that's a bad thing.
That's a really good thing.
This e-bike is definitely not as heavy as some of the others I've shown. Simple little clamp, just goes all the way that way, and then clamps back in the other direction. Over here is this pole. Undo the latch, loosen things up a bit, and then insert the handlebars into here. And there's only one way they go in there. Get in there. And that was not the way, so put them in there the correct way. I'm gonna tighten this back down a little bit. I still don't know where I want them height-wise, so just so they don't fall out for now. And then it's just a plop and a latch. For folding purposes, to undo the latch, you lift it up here, but it won't just like unlatch. You have to push this over, and then this will come down. The seat can go as high as right there. But not only is this a bike seat, it is also a trampoline. The right pedal screws in clockwise, the left one screws in counterclockwise. And you're probably gonna need more than just your bare hands to do this. But unfortunately, they did not include a wrench. Luckily, I have a few of these, so I guess I'll just use my own. Oh no, one is included, never mind. The rear end accommodates your rear end, or maybe not because you might be overweight. It's got these thingamabobs that stick out, so you just stick this in the hole, and then I think you just slide it over, and that's it. That's it. That's everything for assembly. I guess I could put on the reflectors, but like, it looks so much better without them. So forget safety. I just need people to get out of my way. I need to let them know for their safety that I'm coming up behind them and going around. Ah, yes, this is where you plug it in to charge the battery. The key is needed to start the bike and to remove the battery. So to remove the battery, you kind of push it in a little bit, turn it all the way to the end, which unlocks this. The seat lifts up, and now I can just pull this out. The pedals fold, which is useful when you're folding the bike. As you can see in the background, I still have the same car that I've had since forever. Hey, it runs. I don't feel like replacing it. So yeah, everything folds down, battery comes out, and I can cram this into my fairly small trunk. I got it on no pedal assist. It's just a bicycle right now, not an e-bike. And it's nice. It's really easy to pedal. I have it on gear 4. I'm gonna bump it up to gear 7, which is the hardest one to pedal in. The bike's not very heavy. Well, let's use the motor anyways, because what would be the point of this, right? All right, so pedal assist 1. I'm not feeling much. Let's try pedal assist 2. Ooh, there we go. It definitely bumped me forward. I'm getting some assistance from the motor now. Ooh, wow. So this bike definitely jerks forward. It's not a smooth transition between the pedal assist modes. Pedal assist 4. Going 20 miles an hour, 21 miles an hour. And look at my legs. Okay, from a dead stop, pedal assist 1. So like one turn of the pedals, and I felt the motor kick in. I'm gonna skip to pedal assist 3 and do the same thing. Yep, same thing. Just one turn of the pedals and the motor kicks in and I am flying. Hardest gear to pedal in, and I really don't even need to pedal as fast as I was just pedaling. Literally just like this will do. Let's do pedal assist 5 too. From a standstill, pedal assist 5. But my favorite way to ride an e-bike is just using the throttle, so I got it on pedal assist 1. Let's see if it caps it. It does. It's capping it at 7 miles an hour. Pedal assist 2. About 12 miles an hour. Pedal assist 3. 17. 4. 21. And 5 will be the full 25 miles an hour. 24.9. So I feel like the seat needs to go higher because I'm not able to straighten my legs. I prefer to have my legs straight when I'm pedaling. Let's see how far out I can get this. Oh boy, I think that's too far. That should about do it. I love how bouncy the seat is. But like, I'm trying to straighten my legs now when I pedal because I've noticed in the comments that I should be doing that, but a lot of times I don't because I'm constantly getting on and off these bikes to change the camera position and take pictures of the bike because I also take like a million photos when I'm out here. But yeah, when you get on, it lowers a little bit. So it would be too high to try to get on it to have my leg like perfectly straight. What I'm trying to say is the seat dips down as soon as you sit on it. So if you position it to the correct height that you need, it will lower once your tushy weight is on there. Okay, so I'm gonna stop right there, put it on pedal assist 1 and on the hardest gear. Let's see if I can make it up the hill pedaling. Oh, it's a breeze. I wasn't expecting that. The motor kicked in right away. And although I'm not going that fast, it's really easy to pedal. I keep saying my hill, but you never really see the full height of this thing. There we go. I hope that gives you a little bit more perspective. So now you know I'm not kidding. It's a hill. Okay, it's more of a bridge, but you get it. It's doing pretty good off-road too, guys. I wasn't gonna go off-road with this bike, but with how bouncy the seat is, I wanted to give it a shot. One thing I never mentioned with e-bikes that I absolutely love, normally with a bike, you gotta pedal to get going. And then like with me, I don't know if you've noticed, it's kind of a weeble wobbly start. But with a throttle, I can just start it off like this and then pedal. I also find that the throttle is really useful when I'm crossing the road because I want to get off of that as soon as possible. Especially with Florida drivers. There's a reason car insurance is expensive here. The battery is 48 volts, 14 ampere hour. The motor, 500 watts. And what else did I want to say? Oh yeah, height range. So the seat goes up really high on this e-bike, so it definitely accommodates people according to their height range, which is 5'5" to 6'1". But I'm 5'8", and the handlebars do feel a little too low for me. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. I don't know. But it'd be nice if the handlebars could go a little bit higher. So I don't know how that would feel for someone 6'1". Now I'm just gonna put it on pedal assist 5 and throttle, which is the best way to go up a hill. It's just the best way to go, unless you want to exercise. Full electric is my absolute favorite way to ride. But if you're using full electric mode, you're not gonna get as much mileage out of the battery. At most, it's 62 miles on a full charge. So that would be like pedal assist 1. So you have to pedal to get that much mileage. Let me ask this guy if he likes the Senada Austin. Do you like it? Come back. Everyone around here is just so rude. I like how the throttle is like a motorcycle style. I prefer this over those button things. From a dead stop, it's a fairly smooth transition. Here I'm using the throttle, and right here I'm using the throttle again to get going. And then I switch to pedaling the bike. So when I'm not using the throttle, it looks like this. So it's just like one little turn and then the motor kicks in. I know before I said it's like, it kind of jerks you forward. That's when you're already in motion and you're switching to a higher gear. You can definitely feel the bike thrust forward. It has a 3.2-inch LCD display, Shimano 7-speed gear shift system, although I pretty much just keep it on one gear, but it's there if you want it. There's a headlight. There's also a rear brake light. I've already said how awesome the seat is. I like how it's not too bulky, yet still really comfortable and bouncy. And then that rear seat, that holds 105 pounds. Altogether, the bike can hold 280 pounds max. The tires are considering fat tires, but they're not the 4-inch. These are the 3-inch thick tires. Chow yang. I know I already mentioned the battery, but I didn't say it takes about 5 to 6 hours to charge it. And I think I said max range before was 61. It's about 62, but depends how you use it. So full electric mode, you're gonna get about half that, maybe like 30, 32 miles on a full charge. This is where I keep you when I'm filming the over the handlebars view. So yeah. I really have nothing else to say about the e-bike. If you're interested in it, I'll have a link down below in the video's description. And it is my cheesy outro time. I don't even like it. I've just kind of stuck with it, but it's toodaloo-daloo. Bye.